at. I seen the comments yesterday. I'll look at a few more coins and stocks that I seen in the comment section in a few hours, more like late this evening. We might do a live. I'm thinking we're going to do a live show a little bit later on this evening, maybe about 7 or 8 p.m., maybe 8 or 9 p.m., somewhere in there Eastern Standard Daylight Time. I will do a live stream and answer some questions and get your thoughts and take a quick look and an overall feel of where the market is. Is the bear market over? Was this just a bear market pump based on the news? Can this be sustained? Will there be a new plateau in these coins that pumped up yesterday? We'll get all into that, but successful accumulation, successful holding, and have a great, wonderful weekend on a gorgeous, beautiful late midsummer day in the greater Midwest metropolitan area. Peace and love to you all. Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I got a lot of things going on today, so this is going to be very brief. Bell notification, comment down below, subscribe to the channel most importantly, and like it to help push this through the YouTube algorithm so we can help and educate as many people as possible. Today we're having a big retracement after, I believe, a top five, is for sure a top 5 24-hour pumps in XLM and in XRP's history. But one of the things we were looking at yesterday is the volume. The volume all came in over a brief period of time. And that's why I was telling you guys in those videos, the most important thing I can tell you is you don't try to chase a pump up and you don't try to chase a pump down via, if you're trying to short it and you weren't shorting it from a particular area, you don't try to enter in on the way down because you'll get wrecked just like you will trying to buy on the way up. But you can see you had that local volume right there. Within the hour to 3 hours surrounding the news coming out, it seemed like everybody that was waiting to buy XLM and XRP for a couple of years bought at the same exact time. So that pumped the price up in a few hour time frame. About 2 hours, it went up 85 to 110% in XLM's case. And now you can see the volume since then in the 2 hour time frame. The volume, if we even go to the 1 hour time frame, it isolates it a little bit better. See that? You had all that volume there, and then it quickly died off, and now the volume's trending back towards what the mean of the volume was prior to the coin, where it was very low, besides random 1 or 2 candlestick pumps. And that's why I was telling you yesterday, don't chase it up, because there will be a consolidation and the sellers would come in and profit taking and all that kind of nonsense. And that's why I was saying, stick to your game plan, stick to your guns, and stick to what you do to get you to this point. And there will be better buying opportunities if you wanted to buy. If you didn't feel on the big pump, you didn't have enough, you don't try to accumulate in on the big pump and ruin your low buy-in price. If you bought in down here or lower, right? If you bought in there or lower, you don't want to buy in up here on the pump, because that'll drastically rise your cost of coin. And then on the way down on a consolidation, you might be even here instead of being even here or below, right? You just wait for a consolidation. Now you've had a 30, 40%, in XLM's case, maybe approaching 30% correction from the wick top. And it's a moving average now, and that's already a way better opportunity to accumulate in there than it was at 17 cents, 18 cents, wherever that wick ended out at 100% up. And then if you even come back down to the 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, that'd be a much better opportunity as the trading and the selling and all the nonsense takes place to average in. But you did break a critical area of support, and now you're going to at some point come back up and retest it at 13.5 cents, and you would want to try to re-break that, get on top of that to get the bullish action going back in, right? If not, you're going to flip that to resistance, and you're going to have to come down in the hour time frame now to the 200 or the 100 in the green and blue respectively. And XRP is similarly doing the same thing. You can see it's the same with the volume. We had our big volume spike there in a 3 hour time frame, candlestick after candlestick, or 4 hours in a row, and then it crashed with the volume. Now it's leveled off and the trading is taking place. There's obviously profit taking going on and all that kind of stuff. The short sellers would want to get on here and try to maybe do something, but that's highly risky, and I don't recommend that in a volatile market like this, unless you were just straight trying to short it at a 1-to-1 short and you weren't using leverage, and then that would be more acceptable because you would have more margin for error on any little 3% move up or down, whatever way you're going. You don't get liquidated. But just like I was telling you yesterday, there would be better buying opportunities. You don't want to FOMO into this on the way up. And now you're coming up, like XLM did, a critical blue trading zone that we talked about yesterday, which is sitting at about 69 cents, I believe that says right there, right? Yeah, about 69 cents. That's a critical area of support that has been major resistance for a long time, since it dipped below it about a year ago, I believe. I'm not going to look back at the chart because I'm extremely busy, but that's an area you want to hold, which is coming up close to the 50-day moving average in the hour time frame. In the next half hour, an hour, the 50-day will be up there where the price came down. What you want to do is wait for it to come down, start to trade again after 30, 50, 60%, whatever the correction ends up being. If it goes down 30% from the top, it's a good buying opportunity. Or if it comes back into this major support level and touches it at 59 cents, buy a couple. If you've been buying at 25, 35, and 40 cents, that's a much better area to start reaccumulating down here than it is trying to FOMO in and bringing your average cost way up when it was at 70, 80, and 93 cents, because obviously you couldn't sustain that with how many buyers came in a short amount of time. So stick to your game plan, look for accumulation zones, look for a reaccumulation or averaging into your position as close to your original average price if it's below the price now as possible, and stick to that game plan, and don't let day-to-day market volatility scare you one way or the other. Stick to your guns, stick to your game plan, and continue to acquire your assets, whatever they may be, and continue to profit to new heights and successful trading. And much peace and love to my beautiful, lovely audience that makes this channel what it is today. Give me some comments down below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you want me to look at. I seen the comments yesterday. I'll look at a few more coins and stocks that I seen in the comment section in a few hours, more like late this evening. We might do a live. I'm thinking we're going to do a live show a little bit later on this evening, maybe about 7 or 8 p.m., maybe 8 or 9 p.m., somewhere in there Eastern Standard Daylight Time. I will do a live stream and answer some questions and get your thoughts and take a quick look and an overall feel of where the market is. Is the bear market over? Was this just a bear market pump based on the news? Can this be sustained? Will there be a new plateau in these coins that pumped up yesterday? We'll get all into that, but successful accumulation, successful holding, and have a great, wonderful weekend on a gorgeous, beautiful late midsummer day in the greater Midwest metropolitan area. Peace and love to you all.